Hello and welcome to Lazy Girl.
Wait, actually I forgot it. Hello and welcome to Lazy Girl Pasta. Yeah.
Okay. Oh my god, it's so exciting.
Hello and welcome to Lazy Girl Pasta. Everyone, please give a round of applause for Saaniya.
Stop.
Okay, today we are going to make one of her most famous recipes.
It's the easiest pasta recipe on earth.
Yes.
13 years ago, I just moved to Dubai and my fridge was empty because I didn't know how to cook anything. I just ate takeout food, and then I was dating this guy and I told him I'm a very good cook, and he came over and I ordered TGIF food and I just put it on the plates and I was like,
TGIF in Dubai?
Oh yeah, it's very big here.
Oh really?
Thank God it's Friday. And he ate it and he was like, wow, it's just amazing. And I was like, yeah. And then I finally admitted to him. I was like, actually, I didn't cook it. And then I asked my sister to help me, and she gave me this recipe on Skype and she taught me, and I remember making it, and then I ate it and I cried tears of happiness. I could not believe I cooked something myself. Since then, I cook it a lot actually.
Is it al dente?
Like teeth? Like, what do you mean? This is an Italian dish. Thank you, Italians. And how to make pasta? The instructions are all in Chinese and Arabic. This is barilla pasta from Dal 1877.
Oh.
I know they like dal. That means, al dente.
Oh.
11 minutes. Oh, it was right in the...
So we have store-bought chicken.
Rotisserie chicken you get in most good supermarkets. It's already cooked. Very nice.
This is that sauce you said, right?
The sakla pesto sun-dried tomato. You actually only need one bottle. I got 2 just in case.
Okay, great. Olives.
These should have been sliced. I accidentally bought the unsliced ones. Little bit harder it will be now.
Okay. Sour cream.
Sour cream, very important.
Oh, I'm actually like really allergic to dairy.
That's okay. Oh no. So you got any cheese?
No.
Oh no. That's like what makes it though. That's okay. Do you have cheese? You don't have cheese in this house.
No, but I have milk.
You can drink milk?
No, I thought for the
Oh,
recipe.
okay. I can't believe your fridge is pink. That's wonderful. I think actually I forgot to get Parmesan cheese. But now that I realize you can't eat it. Okay, let me order it to your house really quick.
Okay, so sour cream.
Well, it could be, it's usually creme fraiche. I don't know how you pronounce it. Creme fraiche. But you can't get it in many grocery stores. Sour cream also does very well. It's good. It's what makes this recipe. Secret ingredient.
Oh.
Yeah.
Secret ingredient, guys. You heard it here first.
Then there is oregano.
Do you say oregano?
You know what? It just depends on who I'm talking to. If I'm talking to Americans, I say oregano.
Yeah, I say oregano.
Yeah. If I'm talking to Indians, I say oregano.
Do they actually say that?
No, they say oregano. And my favorite, red chili.
Oh my god, I love those.
I love this. So you can handle spice, right?
Yeah.
Okay, amazing. Yeah. I can't taste anything unless it's spicy.
Same.
So this is my first recipe that I ever learned in my life. Probably I've learned maybe 1 or 2 since then.
Wow.
Yeah. What is your first recipe that you ever learned?
I think it was dal. But now I'm gonna start baking.
It's very difficult.
Yeah, I'm gonna try baking.
You're very ambitious.
So stay tuned.
Need a pot, as you said.
Oh, a pot. Really big then.
Why not?
Okay.
I like big pots because when the bubbles happen, I feel really scared. Firstly, we need to put this inside.
Should we put water first?
I think the water has to be above it. So you...
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So should I turn it off?
Whoa. Oh no, I'm wrong. You have to boil the water first.
That's what I thought.
Oh, it's very heavy. It's fine. Nothing bad happened. Water. How much water? Enough, is what my sister said. This is so exciting.
Oh.
Wow, this is amazing.
Oh, thank you. It's masala dabit.
This is so cool. Did you make this yourself?
Yeah, this is the one that I put my name here.
What? Sana Home by
Saamika. I mean, it's not for sale anymore, but it was a limited drop.
Can we put some salt in that?
Yeah. Oh.
My sister said to put.
Okay. Shall we wait till it boils, right?
We wait till the bubbles start exploding. It looks scary. It's not. The guy's here with my Parmesan grated cheese.
That's
amazing.
Insane.
What?
I've never used that.
How else do you get your groceries?
I go to the store.
This is Dubai.
Stop.
Hello. Thank you very much. Easy.
That was
And
5 minutes.
we have Parmesan cheese.
Is it correct?
It's grated and everything.
That was lovely.
Amazing. Okay, so while this is happening,
Yeah.
we need to shred this chicken.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
Now you
It's
normally.
a full-on chicken.
I know it's so gross.
I always buy the pre-cut ones because I don't like to look at it because then I start imagining the head and everything.
Me too. So you just need to. We need to shred it with the fork. So unless you have gloves, and I can do it. My nails are
Your nails look really
pierced.
nice.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I just got them done. I'm very pleased with them. Oh, sorry. I'm putting it in the wrong fingers. Oh no. Okay. You know what? For a second there, I was feeling
Oh.
gigantic, which has never happened in my entire life.
Okay. Ready.
What? Are you like a child?
Okay, let's shred some chicken.
Okay, now this also grosses me out because I can also imagine it.
Should I get a bowl?
This is a very good idea.
Okay. So what do we do?
Now you just go. Ew, 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 ew. Ew.
Oh, it's still kind of warm.
It's like shredded.
Okay.
There's no like huge pieces.
This is so
I know it's so
like
real.
a corpse.
I know, like
This
this.
is
Any
a proper
vegans
corpse.
should we name it?
Okay, what would we name it?
Chicken.
That? Chicken? No.
No. Chuck the chicken.
Chuck the chicken!
Chuck the chicken.
R.I.P. Chuck.
God, I just feel worse now.
Should I eat it?
You could, because it's cooked chuck.
It
it
said
good?
his name as I put it in my mouth.
I'm so sorry. Were you ever vegan?
I was vegan.
You were vegan?
Do I give it off vegan vibes?
But you just feel like clean eating. I saw sage in your house.
I do have sage in my house.
I feel like you're
My
very...
cousin told me that you light sage when people come over or after people leave, and then it cleanses the energy for your home.
Because people bring bad energy into... I'm so sorry.
Not you!
Okay.
The previous previous owner. Oh my god, it's Chuck's leg. Do we keep all the skin?
Yeah, a little bit because it has nice like flavor in it.
Is the water boiled?
Oh, oops.
It's doing the
Hey, it's being over dramatic. It's time. Who's cash?
Oh, that's good.
Okay. Okay, we need to time it for 11 minutes. So at 1,
I didn't wear
at
my Apple
1:13,
Watch.
I don't know how to set alarms. and
You just
stuff.
hold the thing and you say, remind me in 10 minutes.
No way. Remind me in 11 minutes to take out pasta.
Okay, I added it.
Technology.
2025. Is it possible to be a comedian and go to bed at 10:30 at night?
No, because usually I'm also like closing the shows, so it's like no. Hey, I've been
Headliner. We have a headlining guest, everybody.
No, but so my show will end around 11 normally, and then by the time I'm home, it's like 11:30, 11:45, because you have to stay behind and be like, "Hello, thank you so much, thank you for coming, very nice."
I went to Saaniya's show the other week. There was a
Yeah.
line to say goodbye to her. She finished at 11:30, and I texted her. I was like, I'm out, girl. You crushed it.
It's now time to cut these
Oh my
olives.
god, how long has it been?
It's not been 11 minutes yet.
Okay.
A knife. Do you have? Oh, this Chuck's dead body. It's looking
I
at
have
me.
a lot of knives. I know.
Oh, I actually have a fear of knives.
Oh.
But I'm much better now. Can we get like the least intimidating one?
I think this is a small one.
Oh, don't point it at me.
Sorry.
Okay.
I like to use the really like medium size.
Okay. And
Should I get a spoon?
probably.
Okay. So.
Well, if I'm going to be touching food, I should probably wash my hands.
Oh yeah.
Because I was in a taxi.
Oh.
So say maybe like, let's say 7 olives.
It's oddly specific.
Well, normally they're already sliced, so I can't tell. Normally I do it visually because my sister taught me on Skype. What do you think? 7 olives.
Yeah, that looks good to me.
Let's cut them.
Okay. How many slices? Oh, they have a little thing to cut, you know? Yeah. Like there's like the little star.
Oh, you mean the butthole? So sorry. I hope your dad is not watching this. Sorry, Samika's dad.
Is it a star or a butthole?
So the funniest part about getting all these followers is that Americans really like the way I say the word butthole. I have a... No, it's true.
How often are you saying butthole?
I think I made a reel or an Instagram live once where I was like, that person is a butthole. You really mesmerize Americans when you say the word butthole. And
Who's speaking on behalf of America?
No, they all love it. So I put it on threads and I made a voice note saying, butthole, butthole. And then they made it their ringtone. And now whenever people call them, it's just my voice saying, butthole, Or it's an alarm.
I cannot imagine waking up to that in the morning.
It got over a million views, you know? The internet.
I swear it's been more than 11 minutes.
Now it has. Listen, Siri, why you did this?
Because, is it on Do Not Disturb?
No. It's just a useless thing.
Okay, we're gonna do a taste
You
test.
dropped it.
Oh. We're gonna do a taste test to see if the pasta is al dente.
Oh, it's very hot. Listen.
Should we use a fork?
It's too hot.
It's too hot.
Done.
Yeah. Okay. Cheers. Oh,
Could use a little more. It's a bit chewy. Unless you like this dentist. Okay, I'm ready, Captain. Italians, thank you for this wonderful gift to the earth.
Okay, ready?
Living on the edge. Don't.
Oh, we
That's
lost
okay. Sometimes you win some, you lose some.
Ooh, it looks really good.
Okay, so now we want to put a little bit of salt in it
Oh,
and a little bit of oregano.
okay. I'll just do.
Oh, it's okay. Don't worry about it. Everything's okay. Now you get the mix of us. Okay, and now for the sakla pesto, we are going to put. Oh, very strong.
I can tell.
My Pilates instructor also said.
Wow.
Oh no, shit. There's no spoon. It's okay. I'll just put
I
the
have
whole
a
thing.
spoon. I have a spoon.
Okay. Okay. Now, normally, I just check how red it gets to see how much to put.
Wow.
I know.
It looks really good.
It's actually so yummy, and the sour cream really makes it. It's the best part of this whole recipe. Now that this is done, now we mix it.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna put it on the stove again, okay? Just so it warms for a bit. Mix. Wow! Isn't it gorgeous?
It looks like meaty pasta.
So once you mixed all this in,
Uh-huh.
let's just put some of Chuck in it.
Oh, oh.
Good job, Chuck. You did your job well. Now you're mixing
Wow.
Chuck in. Look at him. Okay.
What about the olives? Do we wait to put
I
that?
feel like we should let this heat a bit.
Okay.
Because we don't want to make the olives too hot also. You just on low heat, you just stir it a bit until it feels like it's somehow merged.
Wow.
No?
It looks really good. Nice. That looks super good.
Yay! It's a great way to get
It's the proper lazy girl way. Like Saaniya, cook your food. Now what?
Now you just wait. Now that the pan is hot, now what we are going to do is add the olives.
Wow. And the colors.
Oh no!
Nice. Saved.
This is, you know what? Some people die. Careful, Samika, you'll die. Okay. Now what we want to do is add some of the red pepper stuff. We just take, for example,
Do you
okay?
just break it? I would. Oh, you cut it.
Oh no, I'm a lady.
You know,
Oh, that is hot.
that's what I do with green chilies also. I just do it like this.
Frozen green chilies. You
That
go and
looks
buy it like
so good.
Oh, my hand is very tired. After doing a taste test, we decided to add some salt. Ooh, yeah, let's put that. We're gonna add some more chili.
This one is pretty spicy. It came in a vacuum packed bag from Turkey.
Can I smell it?
Yeah, but be careful.
Oh yeah, that's the stuff. Almost done, cuties.
Okay, the pasta is ready, right? Oh,
Well, almost ready. And now for the best part, which is sour cream. Ah,
Do you want me to open it?
okay. So about half, you can take. Wow, it's really lumpy. You can
Sour
take
cream is like yogurt.
Well, so now let's just mix and see how that tastes.
Okay.
Okay.
Wow, that kind of looks like store-bought pasta now.
Okay. Let me just do one final good mix. I think it's done.
I feel like.
Should we do a taste test?
How is it? Is it correct?
I think so. Does it need more salt?
Probably. That's what I think. Is if the food doesn't taste right, it probably just needs more salt.
Mm-hmm. Oh.
Rye is coming.
Mhm.
Okay, salt. This much, I think.
Need salt. More.
Oh,
Mhm.
it's tasty.
Yeah, bus. Okay.
Is it good? It worked. Let's do a little taste test. Oh, it really shredded the chicken.
Mm-hmm.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Let's try it.
Wow. Like it?
Oh my god, that's really good.
Okay. quite pleased with that.
Dang.
Hmm.
So easy.
So easy, except for the arm workout.
What is this called, this pasta?
My sister's pasta.
There you have it, folks. Saaniya's sister's pasta. It worked. All right. Bye. Bye.